Good morning, all of you, and welcome to another live session of Technology Talk, where we discuss all the latest technologies, products, and solutions offered by Hikvision. Today, we are going to discuss on a new product lineup. Yes, a new product lineup. So, all everyone who are participated for this Technology Talk, thank you so much for joining this session. And we are going to discuss on the what are the new product lineup which Hikvision recently launched. To discuss on the same, we have with us today Mr. Prahlad Pawar, Manager Pre-Sales, Hikvision India. Hi Prahlad, welcome to again on Technology Talk.
Thank you, Vinit, for having me here.
So after the AccuSense and ColorView, here today we are again to discuss on the new product lineup.
Right.
Hope this new product will be much more helpful and with a good quality of product, a good features will get to all of our partners.
Right.
सो सभी का यहाँ पे अगेन बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस टेक्नोलॉजी टॉक को ज्वाइन करने के लिए। आज का ये जो टॉपिक है हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं न्यू प्रोडक्ट लाइनअप के ऊपर। सो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद दिस थ्रू आउट टेक्नोलॉजी टॉक ऑन प्रामा इंडिया ऐप। ड्यूरिंग द एंटायर सेशन नाउ देयर इज अ प्रो डिस्को ओपन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। यस, प्रो डिस्को ऑफर इज ओपन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन योर मोबाइल ऐप. Just click on the yellow button of Pro Disco offer and you can redeem that offer. As well as throughout the session, we will ask some quiz question to you. Those who will give the right answer of this all question very quickly, very fastly, they will get chance to win exciting prizes from Hikvision. So thank you so much again joining with us to this technology talk, and let's begin the session, Prahlad. So come up to the new product lineup. Okay, so what kind of products we are going to be introduced today to us?
Right. So as you mentioned, today we will explore three categories.
Okay.
First one is our most eco series, which is one line IP series,
Yes.
and it's loaded with the different altogether new features. So
Okay.
we'll be exploring that. Then next is the AccuSense, which
Okay.
we already seen in the last previous sessions.
Okay.
And there are some new features addition. There are some new addition of the products. We'll see that. And the last one is the color view.
Right.
So we'll be exploring that product, and I'll run you through all the products one by one on the new arrivals.
Yes. So new arrivals, new products, very exciting for all of us. So one line series cameras, then ColorView and then AccuSense. So most recent, very trendy and new technology के साथ ये cameras available है, but a specialty is one line series.
Right.
So all the people are very much excited कि one line series में अभी क्या क्या features है और कौन से features हमें use हो सकते हैं अगर ये कैमरा एक बेस्ट solution के लिए हमें provide करे.
Correct.
Let's begin with Prahlad with presentation so all of us get clear what is
Definitely,
available
definitely.
in one line.
So as we see the technology advancement,
Okay.
so then once technology gets evolved, the price has to come down,
Right.
And we try to give that benefits of price and benefits of features
Okay.
to our most eco series. So we'll see one by one what is this. So the first one, as you can see, it's we have incorporated inbuilt audio in one line series
Okay.
IP camera. So now, as we discussed earlier, suppose you have connected one setup, you already have an existing setup, and your end user come to you and ask for audio pickup. Then you need to lay down physical cabling, all the power supplies,
Yes.
and there is a extra cost on that. So to overcome that, inbuilt audio camera is your answer. So
That's good.
this one is incorporated in this in one line IPC. Then moving on further, it has also got the noise suppression, which
Okay.
is which was earlier used to have in the higher line series, or you can say a mid-range camera. But now it is incorporated in one line series also, so you can take a benefit on that.
That's great. First, very good feature that is a audio.
Right.
Inbuilt audio is available. So how this audio will work and how this camera, what is the distance for the pickup distance for this particular camera?
So pickup distance we can say around 5 to 6 meter. So if you have an indoor scenario or you want to cover the audio pickup of that particular room or your indoor scenario, you can do that. As well as there is one more feature, you can also record that audio for the future evidence.
Okay.
So if you want that, not only a video evidence, but you want audio also, so that also possible right now.
इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग. सो सभी के लिए यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि वन लाइन सीरीज कैमरा जहाँ पे अभी आईपी कैमरा के अंदर इनबिल्ट ऑडियो मींस इनबिल्ट माइक आपको अवेलेबल है. So there is no need to connect the external mic, a cabling, a complicated wiring, and also you will get some kind of the noise also when you are connecting the external mic. So यहाँ पे इनबिल्ट माइक है कैमरा में अवेलेबल. आपका कैमरा वीडियो कैप्चर कर रहा है एज वेल एज साउंड भी एक अच्छे क्वालिटी में कैप्चर कर रहा है. Not only the real time, but in playback also you will get that particular sound.
Right.
So yes, one line series is right now coming with inbuilt audio camera, which a good quality audio pickup device is inbuilt available in camera itself.
Right, right. The next one is the SD card.
Yeah.
As you know the importance of SD card, I'll give you one example. Suppose you have connected one camera in the critical location,
Right.
and there is unfortunate incident happens, theft happened, right?
Yes.
And nowadays we are seeing in the news, it's happening lately that these guys are getting very smarter. They
Okay.
take the recorder itself with them.
Definitely.
So now what happens is your recorder is also stolen. You don't have any video evidence for further analysis. So
Right.
now for this your answer should be camera with the SD cards.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So when we use the SD card, you have the evidence recorded in the recorder as well as in your camera. So what happens is, even though that person, that guy tries to sabotage the camera or tries to pull out the camera from the location, even though that event gets recorded in the SD card, you can use it for the future analysis.
That's great because it's kind of the pre-recording will happen.
Right, right.
कैमरा लगाया है आपने नेटवर्क के ऊपर, आपके कैमरा में मेमोरी कार्ड कहीं ना कहीं अवेलेबल है. डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं अगर एनवीआर या आपका रिकॉर्डर भी वहां पे चोरी हो सकता है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आपके मेमोरी कार्ड में यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग हो सकती है.
Yes, yes.
Now previously in upper level of the higher end series like the 2-line series or the 3-line
Three lines.
camera supporting a capacity of the 256 GB.
Correct.
Now in 1-line series also you will get the capacity of 256 GB.
Right, right.
So 256 GB का मैक्सिमम आप मेमोरी कार्ड यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग इस कैमरा में आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. As well as I think Prahlad, there is a one more feature good quality, that is the ANR.
ANR, yes.
So can you please little bit explain about
Correct, correct. So ANR in technological terms, what we say as automatic network replenishment.
Yeah.
In the layman term, we call it as offline data syncing.
that? Okay.
Suppose you have a camera connected with your NVR,
Okay.
and suppose the connection gets breakdown between NVR and IP camera.
Okay.
So there is no recording happening in the NVR, but it's happening in the SD card.
Yes.
So what happens? The ANR functionality pull back the data once the recorder, once the connection gets restored.
Okay.
So you have a complete playback on the recorder.
Okay.
So this is getting very popular nowadays because what happens is, suppose you have connected 100 of cameras and there is a disconnection between your recorder and the camera. So in that between data gets lost. You don't have any footage, you have to search the camera, you need to access to the camera again. So using ANR, that's you get the complete playback on your footage.
ANR, automatic network replenishment. Yes.
Right, right.
आपका कैमरा नेटवर्क पे कनेक्टेड है एनवीआर की तरफ. एनवीआर में आपका कैमरा ऐड है, बट कहीं ना कहीं नेटवर्क अगर डाउन होता है तो रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ पे होगी, ये मोस्ट ऑफ द हमारे यूजर्स का क्वेश्चन रहता है. सो एएनआर फीचर की मदद से आपके कैमरा में 1-line सीरीज में ये एएनआर फीचर अवेलेबल है. उसकी मदद से आपका कैमरा 24/7 वहां पे अगर कोई भी नेटवर्क डिस्कनेक्शन होता है आपके मेमोरी कार्ड में रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकता है. So each and every footage Prahlad over here we will get it. We don't
Yes.
want to ensure that means network है, network connectivity loss होती है तो क्या हो सकता है.
Right.
No problem. There is a memory card available with maximum capacity of 256 GB in your
Right.
1-line series IP camera.
Right, and I'll tell you one more thing.
Yeah.
With 256 GB memory card, you can easily record 15 to 20 days of data in the
Yes.
camera itself.
Yes. Yes. So what the resolution will support for the 2 megapixel? It's static.
We can record on the 2 megapixel
Right.
resolution itself because that is the standard we keep.
Yes, obviously, because बहुत सारे हमारे पार्टनर्स अभी आईपी कैमरा की बात करें तो कम से कम 2 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा हर वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए आप सजेस्ट करते ही हो. सो इफ यू हैव अ 2 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा, memory card available, a 15 days recording you will get it easily. So quite very economic, cost budget effective solutions. We have a inbuilt mic camera available. Second feature we will see that memory card हमारे यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. Again we will go on the next features,
Right.
but
So
we will see the product line. That's
right,
more
right,
important.
Right. Correct, correct. As you can see on the screen, these products are bifurcated in the dome as well as bullet and 2 megapixel and the 4 megapixel.
Yeah.
So it has got the capability of built-in microphone with inbuilt SD card storage, which supports up to 256 GB.
Right.
So there are other features available, as we can say in the normal cameras, which is higher compression, higher encoding compression, which is
Okay.
either 265 plus, and it has got the capability of air distance of 30 meter. So you can say it is more than sufficient for your indoor or normal scenarios,
Okay.
right? And then it has also equipped with a 3D DNR functionality. So what happens is whenever you connect the camera in the outdoor scenario, and there is noise in that, where the certain lux level drops, and you want to have the crystal clear image. So
Okay.
your 3D DNR helps you in that.
सो देखेंगे हम तो 2 मेगापिक्सल और 4 मेगापिक्सल वेरिएंट में हमें ये वन लाइन सीरीज के आईपी कैमरास मिल रहे हैं जिसके अंदर मेमोरी कार्ड एज वेल एज अ बिल्ट इन माइक इज अवेलेबल सो इफ यू वांट टू डू द सिलेक्शन हमारे पार्टनर्स के लिए मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन रहता है कि प्रोडक्ट्स तो है बट कैमरा को सिलेक्ट कैसे करना है. So definitely, if you want a more higher resolution, you can go for the 4 megapixel models, or if you want to connect for the indoor a small area, you can go for the 2 megapixel.
Right.
Inbuilt mic है, कैसे पता चले model number? So on the screen you can check there is a model number I think.
Right.
So I think at the end there is a some mention. So can you explain about more?
Yes, I'll come to that.
Yeah.
See, in the model number on the first, you can see a DS2CD1023 G0-IUF. So U for umbrella, that stand for your inbuilt mic.
Okay.
And F for France, that stand for your micro SD card. As you can see, all these 4 models are supporting inbuilt microphone as well
Right.
as the SD card.
सो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे एक टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि मॉडल नंबर की मदद से आप कैसे जानोगे कि ये कैमरा में मेमोरी कार्ड और इनबिल्ट माइक अवेलेबल है. UF which denominates that there is a inbuilt mic and memory card is available in your new one line series IP camera. So you have to do the right product selection. एक proper product आपको select करना है, proper model number वहाँ पे इस तरह आप choose कर सकते हैं. So lots of product lines is available with this 2 megapixel and 4 megapixel. But what about the next, the higher resolution?
See, we in earlier session we have discussed this feature, but it was for another higher end series.
Right.
People are getting very obsessed with the ultra HD definition displays or 4K resolution. So to cope up with the market need and from the customer feedback, we have come up with the 4K resolution in one line series as well.
That's great.
So as you can see, a 4K is, you can say, 8 megapixel of the higher resolution. So whenever you have connected a camera, suppose it's a fixed camera, right, 2 megapixel or 1.3 megapixel, 720p. Any evidence happen, you can get the clear footage on the your nearer distance. But any incident happening on the farther of the view, you cannot get the identification of person face or activity which is happening. So to come up with this challenge, you can use the 4K camera, which is 8 megapixel on the higher. So we have put up one comparison. Moving forward, we have put up one comparison where you can see there is one jewelry shop, and the camera is connected. There are multiple cameras connected, ranging from 720p, which is 1.3 megapixel, to your 4K camera.
Okay.
So whenever we do the digital zoom, which is like you can say zooming to the current image itself, it's not the optical zoom, it's
Right.
digital zoom, right? So what happens in digital zoom is if the camera is 720 or even a 2 megapixel or even a 5 megapixel, your image gets pixelized. As you can see in the screen, you cannot identify the details of the jewelry
Yes.
put on the floor in the 720p or 180p, 1080p or even the 5 megapixel. So in the 4K camera, you can identify which jewelry is kept on there, and this has got the multiple application scenario. Not only a jewelry, you can put it in your hotel lobby or your portrait room or any for the perimeter protection, where you want to identify the persons intruding your property or intruding your area.
Yes, yes, yes. So it's a very good feature that one line series is now coming up with a 4K resolution camera.
Yes.
इससे अच्छा और बेटर क्या चाहिए? हाई रिजोल्यूशन कैमरा एक वन लाइन सीरीज में इकोनॉमिक रेंज में आपको यहाँ पे अवेलेबल मिल रही है. We will discuss more on that, but before that, I just want to inform you that again there is a Pro Disco offer is activated on your Prama India app. Those who are connected with us for this session, this exclusive offer to all of you. You can just click on the yellow button of the Pro Disco offer and you can redeem that offer right now itself. So thank you so much again to all of you for joining this technology talk on a new series lineup of English. So again move on to the Prahlad, a 4K कैमरा. बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैमरा है, 2 मेगापिक्सल 4 मेगापिक्सल का रिजोल्यूशन तो हमने देखा, बट उससे ज्यादा दैट इज 8 मेगापिक्सल तक चाहिए, क्योंकि 4K का जमाना अभी सब जगह है। और टीवीज, एलसीडीज, एलईडी डिस्प्ले, एवरीथिंग इज राइट नाउ कमिंग इन द मार्केट इज 4K। व्हाई नॉट द कैमरा? सो 4K कैमरा यहाँ पे हमने जैसे देखा कि अगर ये कैमरा आप कहीं कनेक्ट कर रहे हो तो कौन से सॉल्यूशंस के लिए या कौन से लोकेशंस के लिए आपको देना है, दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। सो एज यू मेंशन ऑन द डायग्राम ऑन द पीपीटी इटसेल्फ, ज्वेलरी शोरूम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट केस है जहां पे आप डोम कैमरा और ऐसे कैमरा लगा रहे हो। द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट आपका एक मकसद है कि अगर कोई उस ज्वेलरी को उठा के लेके जाता है या कुछ भी अगर होता है तो आपके कैमरा ने प्रॉपर्ली उसको कैप्चर करना चाहिए, राइट। आप कैमरा लगाते हो हाइट पे, जस्ट वहां पे 2 और 4 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा देते हो, कहीं ना कहीं जब आप प्लेबैक देखते हो तो जूम जब करते हो तो डेफिनेटली इमेज ब्लर होती है। उस केस में अगर आप ये 4K कैमरा आई थिंक लगाओगे, सो व्हेनेवर यू डू द डिजिटल जूमिंग, the picture will not get blurred. Right. Yes, and here you will get a continue, a proper image what the object is there. So जैसे इमेज में देख रहे हो कि जो भी ज्वेलरी रखी है आप 4K में जूम करने के बाद भी प्रॉपर इमेज आपको। Yes. I hope हमारे पार्टनर्स को ये पता चला होगा कि एग्जैक्टली डिफरेंस और एडवांटेज क्या है ये 4K कैमरा में।
So moving forward, we will see what product line we have in the 4K camera. As you can see on the screen, so there are two cameras. One is your bullet camera, which is a mini bullet, and another one is a dome camera.
Right.
So how do we identify if it's a 4K? So once we get to the nomenclature, it's DS2CD1083. So 8 is your 8 megapixel.
Right.
So if you want to identify what is the resolution, so 2 there is a 2 megapixel, 4 is a 4, and 8 is a 8 megapixel, which is a 4K. And the rest thing is almost similar to the normal IPC range, which is having that IP67 ingress protection for your outdoor scenario. Then you have Exil 2.0, which is far way better than your conventional IR. Doesn't get that bloated circle on the image.
Right.
It gives you the equal illumination on the entire scene itself. And then you can use it for a long range purpose also, apart from your indoor scenario.
That's great. So एक अच्छे आईपी कैमरा में जो भी टेक्निकल फीचर, एडवांस फीचर जो चाहिए रहती है वो हमें ये वनलाइन सीरीज आईपी कैमरा में मिल रही है, इंक्लूडिंग अ 4K resolution. Right. So it's a good feature, and now again we'll move what another feature we have available in online.
So moving forward, we already had discussed this point earlier, but that was again available in the mid-range series or the higher-end series. See, that is a true WDR, 120 dB.
Okay.
So what happens is, if you have a normal camera which is supporting a digital WDR, so what happens is it doesn't compensate your image to that level.
Okay.
It's just like if it is focusing on a certain area and there is a strong backlight coming, you can say example of your shop's entrance or your office entrance or whatever the scenario where strong backlight is coming.
Mm-hmm.
In digital WDR, what happens? It can brighten the image on the frontal side, but it also compromise the other image parameter. So as you can see in the screen, in true WDR, it equally compensate the images. As you can see, the farther backlight area is also reduced, and your frontal face area, which is most important, is illuminated on the higher side. So that is the capability of true WDR, 120 dB.
Right, 120 dB ट्रू WDR। कहीं ना कहीं हम देखते हैं कि पहले वाले वनलाइन सीरीज के आईपी कैमरा में WDR आता था, बट जैसे इमेज में दिखा है डिजिटल WDR आपको पहले मिलता था। उसकी मदद से ये जो कैमरा है अगर आउटसाइड एरिया में कहीं रखते हो या एंट्रेंस लोकेशन पे आप कनेक्ट करते हो, पीछे से बैकग्राउंड या सनलाइट आती है, आपको कोई भी पिक्चर वहां पे क्लियर नहीं दिख पाता, जो भी पर्सन आ रहा है कंप्लीट ब्लैकिश ही नजर आ रहा है वहां पे। सो इस लोकेशन पे वी अगेन रिकमेंड टू ऑल ऑफ यू यूज अ ट्रू WDR कैमरा। Now in your one-line IPC series, this 2WDR with 120 dB is available. So बहुत ही अच्छे क्लियरिटी के साथ आपको ये इमेज मिलेगी अगर आप ये आउटर साइड लोकेशंस पे ये कैमरा कनेक्ट करते हैं। So yes, again the selection point, if you want to connect such kind of the entrance location, you can go a one-line series camera, but the feature should be available with 2WDR. So yes, we have seen Prahlad here, best feature 2WDR. Before that we have seen inbuilt audio, memory card, a 4K resolution. Now it's a true WDR camera is also available with us.
So there is one more series we have recently launched.
Okay.
That is a mini PTZ.
Right.
So you guys must have heard about the normal PTZ concept used in the outdoor scenario for the longer range surveillance. So suppose you have a requirement where you want to do the surveillance in a smaller area, but
Right.
you want to move the camera
Right.
from left to right, or you want to zoom into the particular location.
Okay.
Especially applicable for the security guards, where they want to monitor each and everything on the go on the 24 by 7 surveillance.
Yes.
So you can use the mini PTZ here. So that is you can say a mini version of your normal PTZ. It has got the 4x optical zoom,
Okay.
which is like suppose if you want to you can cover up to 30 to 40 meters of the distance,
Right.
right? And it can also use for the outdoor scenario. Okay. Because it got the IP66 rating, Nike 10.
सो इट्स अ गुड छोटी सी क्लासरूम है छोटा सा मीटिंग रूम है 4 या 5 कैमरा कनेक्ट कर रहे हो उससे जगह एक ही कैमरा कनेक्ट करो आपका ये कैमरा कंटिन्यूसली आपकी लेंस को घुमा रहा है दैट मींस इट्स अ पीटीजी फंक्शन so definitely in single camera you can achieve and completely area you can capture according to your requirement so कहीं ना कहीं फिक्स कैमरा रहते हैं वो एक ही जगह देखते रहते हैं बट कई रिक्वायरमेंट है आपको बॉटम साइड पे वहां पे कैमरा की लेंस को रोटेट करके देखना है दिस मिनी पीटीजेड इज राइट नाउ अवेलेबल टू ऑल ऑफ अस. So now it's a time for the quiz question. Let's see what is the quiz. How many gigabytes of storage can be added to an one-line IPC with built-in SD card slot? Built-in वहाँ पे SD card slot अगर दिया है तो कितने वहाँ पे maximum storage capacity आपको मिल रही है? Your time will start now. ये क्विज क्वेश्चन आप सभी के लिए है जो भी तुरंत इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देगा उनको वहां पे बहुत ही शानदार इनाम इक्विजन की तरफ से मिल सकते हैं. जस्ट टाइप योर आंसर इन कमेंट बॉक्स व्हाट यू थिंक राइट आंसर इज ए बी और सी. व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी ऑफ स्टोरेज इज अवेलेबल नाउ इन वन लाइन सीरीज IPC. Those who will give the right answer very quickly, we will announce the name of that winner at the end of the session. Again, I am giving you extra time to for all of you. कौन सा आपको सही आंसर लग रहा है ए बी या सी आपका आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन में आप टाइप कीजिए. इफ यू थिंक द आंसर इज बी 128 GB you can type B in comment section. Hope you are enjoying this quiz question which is exclusive to all of our viewers. So hope we'll get the answer. We will disclose the right answer at the end of the session. Also, we will announce the name of the winner at the end of the session. Now, Prahlad, new series lineup. We have seen the one-line series.
Right.
After that, yes, move on to the next most important feature that is AccuSense.
AccuSense, right.
So, can you explain the more about the AccuSense?
Sure. So AccuSense we can see as our star product because it has got embedded AI and powered with the strong GPU processing.
Right.
So and it's available in the normal CCTV price, normal surveillance price, right? So we will see some of the features. We already covered this part in earlier, and we will see the new product line which are offered by us in this session. So AccuSense, the major applications area, you can say, suppose you have a private property or a private bungalow, you can use it for a perimeter protection.
Right.
Or even if you have a industrial areas, you want to use it for a perimeter. Then there are public areas you want to cover, you can do it. Then there is a supermarkets or the shops or a retail segment. You can also use that. So there are multiple scenarios and multiple features available. The major functionality of this is filtering of your false alert for the human and vehicle only.
Right.
So as you can see on the screen, we have put up three comparison for
Okay.
between AccuSense, your conventional VCA, which is a motion detection like using and all this thing, and your PR detection, which is a sensor based, right? As you can see in the first scenario, on the rightmost scenario, which is a conventional VCA, which works on a normal CPU processing and motion detection. In that scenario, what happens is your all moving objects, all the light flickerings, all the moving objects, even if you are shaking of the trees or your outdoor scenarios, triggers a motion. So that is there are a lot of false alert you need to deal with.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, it's like draining your energy, your time gets wasted on that, and your operational activity gets hampered on that. Then another scenario is your PR detection. So PR sensors, you can get the trigger on human intrusion or but sometimes it also gives you false alarm and animal intrusion. And in PR sensor scenario, you don't have video evidence for further analysis.
Okay.
So your trigger gets alert, but you don't have evidence. It's not that much helpful. And in AccuSense, which is overcoming all these features, all these challenges, it has got the deep learning algorithm, which
Right.
filters out only human, and if you want a vehicle alerts, that also you can do this. So moving forward, we have put up one small video where you can get the entire concept of the AccuSense.
In conventional perimeter protection solutions, alarms can be triggered by moving 3D lamps, rolling balls, small scurrying animals, and changes in lighting or shadows. Security staff in monitoring centers can spend hours handling false alarms like these, finding it hard to focus on real threats in monitored areas. Powered by deep learning, Hikvision AccuSense solution ensures alarms are triggered only by people or vehicles, filtering out other targets. With minimized false alarms, security staff can focus on what really matters. With Hikvision's AccuSense solution, a monitoring center can safely monitor a much larger area with vastly improved efficiency.
That's very fantastic, I think, video
Right.
we have seen. कैमरा है एक्यूसेंस और जरूरत है ह्यूमन और व्हीकल को डिटेक्ट
Vehicle
करने
filter.
की। सो जैसे पहले की स्लाइड्स में हमने देखा था कि कन्वेंशनल कैमरास जो रहते थे, जहाँ के अंदर मोशन डिटेक्शन फीचर रहती थी, लोग यूज करते थे। कोई भी अगर इंसान सामने से अगर आता है, मोशन डिटेक्शन का ट्रिगर तो मिल जाता था, और कहीं ना कहीं फॉल्स अलार्म यही बहुत होते थे। देन पीआर डिटेक्टर हम यूज करते हैं, तो टेम्परेचर अगर चेंजेस होते हैं फिर भी हमें अलर्ट मिलता था। कहीं ना कहीं एक्यूरेसी अलार्म्स के अंदर बहुत जरूरी थी, and for that's why AccuSense, which focus and acts based on deep learning algorithm, we are getting a lots of this good quality feature.
Right. And its a name is suggested as for that only. It's
Right.
accurately sensing. That is
Accurately
AccuSense.
Yes.
And in previous session, customer has asked us whether we need to do any special configuration
Yes.
or is there any complexity in the configuration.
Right.
So the answer is no. It's a kind of say you can say a plug and play system. The
Okay.
motion detection 2.0, which is your deep learning algorithm, is already enabled on the all the channels by default. Just
Okay.
take the product, you put it on the scenario, you mark certain area, and your work is done.
That's very great. So यहाँ पे सभी को हम बताना चाहते हैं कि AccuSense कैमरा है या कोई भी AccuSense MBR वहाँ पे फीचर्स आपको मिल रही है। सो मोशन डिटेक्शन 2.0 बहुत ही बेहतरीन फीचर है, पहले से ही सब इनेबल रहेगा उसके अंदर,
Right.
आपको कोई कॉन्फ़िगर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट। सो अगर आपको किसी एरिया को पर्टिकुलरली ड्रॉ करना है,
हाँ.
then you will get I think option over here
Right.
to edit that particular area. सो आपका कैमरा आउटडोर सिनारियो पे है, कैमरा तो बहुत वाइड एरिया कवर कर रहा है, बट आप किसी पार्किंग एरिया के यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपकी कार खड़ी है, वही सर्टेन एरिया ड्रॉ करना है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ।
Right. And even there is option of smart playback.
Right.
What happens is आप कोई भी ये करते हो, evidence अगर आपको चेक करना है,
Mhm.
तो you need to run through entire day's playback or entire that particular time's playback.
Okay.
So to cope up this challenge, to address this challenge, we have come up with the smart playback. आप just enable कर दो human and
Okay.
alert, vehicle filtering.
Okay.
So as you can see in the screen, there are two tags on this. There are two bars. One is your blue, that is your continuous recording happening in the recorder, and there is a filtered out alert recording, which is your event based only for your human and vehicle alert. Just click on that, you will get only that dedicated playback.
That's very great. A smart playback. पहले के जमाने में जैसे अगर कुछ चोरी होती थी, कोई भी अगर चोर आके एरिया में चोरी करके चला जाता था,
Right.
तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग और वो टाइम की फुटेज देखने के लिए हमें बहुत टाइम लगाना पड़ता था। नाउ इट्स अ स्मार्ट प्लेबैक, जस्ट यू हैव टू डू द स्मार्ट सर्च। एवरी सेकेंड एवरी मिनट की फुटेज आपका डीवीआर आपको नहीं दिखाएगा,
Correct.
जस्ट ओनली द पर्टिकुलर फुटेज ओनली विल शो यू wherever there is a human and vehicle presence.
Yes, right. And you can see in the next video how does it work exactly in the real time scenario. So as you can see here, there are two playbacks.
Okay.
One is your normal and another one is the smart, which is having that vehicle as well as human intervention.
Okay. So yes, this is a quite a difference. It's a good feature available, I think, in the backend device.
Right.
So you will a user-friendly feature customer can get. So now moving to the Acusense solution कैसे देगा?
हाँ.
क्योंकि हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट तो आईपी कैमरा में भी Acusense अवेलेबल है, एनवीआर में भी अवेलेबल है. कस्टमर इज क्वाइट कंफ्यूज कि सॉल्यूशन देना है तो हम कैसे सॉल्यूशंस को पिच करें?
Right, right. See, Acusense, this technology is now available with all the product category, be it your IP camera, your digital video recorder, that is DVR, or your NPR, network video recorder. So let's see one by one what are the scenarios. There are 4 scenarios we have put up, where how you can design a solution using the Acusense system.
Okay.
The first scenario here is you have a normal camera,
Right.
and you have normal recorder,
Yes.
but you don't want to change the recorder. You want to keep that recorder because it's a, we can say, a invested value. So you just the camera, replace the camera with the Acusense, and your work is done. All the filtering and all this quick target searching, smart playback can be done by the camera itself. And you can also have that features, alert features on the mobile app, which is Hik Connect on the go,
Right.
because that is what actually required. Suppose you are a shop owner, or you are into a retail segment, or you have a smaller setup. You cannot keep on accessing the laptop or your software every time. So that's it gets very difficult. On the go, you have mobile. You just install that app. All the alerts coming through the system get triggered on your mobile app, and you can take the necessary action as per that.
Right.
Right. Then second scenario, it's similar to that, but in this scenario, you don't want to change the camera. You want to keep the camera, or there is a exist newer setup altogether.
Okay.
So we can recommend you can put the Acusense camera, Acusense NVR, or you can keep the existing conventional IP camera. Just replace the Acusense NVR, and your work is done.
That's great.
Then third one is the similar one, but it's a slight change with the conventional camera. Want to put, don't want to change the camera because all the cablings are already laid out. You can replace the NVR, you can replace that recorder, and you can get this all these functionalities. So there are different scenarios. The last one is with the digital, with the analog system, digital video recorder. So what happens is in previous session, customer has asked us where I have analog system connected, and I want to use the Acusense.
Okay.
So to cater this demand, we have come up with the Acusense feature in the digital video recorder also, but that is your analog system, a turbo HD system.
Okay.
So you have analog camera connected. The scenario cablings are all laid out, and the setup is quite older. You can say 4 to 5 years older. You
Yes.
can just replace the existing DVR with the Acusense DVR, and your job is done.
That's very good. So 4 solutions आपको वहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं और सबसे पहला solution जहाँ पे कैमरा है and NVR है. उसके बाद आपका पास जो कैमरा है वो Acusense कैमरा है, आप सिंपली नॉर्मल NVR को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. Then if you don't have the camera, you have a normal camera, conventional camera, can connect with Acusense NVR also. And again third, you can use a conventional camera plus Acusense NVR plus Hik Connect app. And fourth solution is a turbo HD solution. You have a directly Acusense available in your DVR itself.
Correct.
So turbo HD solutions या IP कौन सा भी आपको सेगमेंट रहे, आपका ये Acusense solutions आपके लिए available है. So hope you have understand now. Again, there is a Pro Disco offer activated to all of you. You can check on Prama India mobile app over there. आप अगर ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये Pro Disco ऑफर का आइकॉन वहां पे मिलेगा. जस्ट आपको उस आइकॉन के ऊपर क्लिक करना है एंड यू कैन रिडीम द ऑफर स्पेशली फॉर यू फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस टेक्नोलॉजी टॉक. The Pro Disco offer is now activated. Just click on that Pro Disco offer. You can redeem a Pro Disco offer. So you will get the chance to win exciting discounts offer only specially for you for attending this technology talk. Hope you are enjoying this session. आप सभी को यहाँ पे न्यू प्रोडक्ट लाइनअप Hikvision की कौन सी है ये समझ में आ रही है. If you have any kind of doubt, a question, you can type in your comment section. Further, if you require more and more training on another topic also, that topic name also, you can put it definitely. We will come back to you with this particular topic. So more and more there is the Acusense feature we have seen Prahlad. It's a good quality. A second feature available in new lineup.
Yeah.
And after that again we
If
are
it,
going to see
yes.
yes a major 2.0 plus
Plus.
IPC. बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं कि Easy IP 2.0 plus IPC क्या फीचर है, क्या प्रोडक्ट है?
Right side. This is the new product line in the Accusense. It is
Okay.
equipped with the deep learning algorithm.
Okay.
The other features, as you can see here, the IP67 rating for the outdoor scenario, the built-in mic, as we have seen earlier,
Mhm.
and then 120 dB True WDR.
Right.
So altogether, all these features are packed in a one single camera, which gives you the benefit of technology.
Right. सो हियर जैसे आप देख सकते हो कि Easy IP 2.0 प्लस है, दो कैमरा दिख रहा है इधर, दो मॉड्यूल है. सो कहीं ना कहीं रिक्वायरमेंट जो सिंगल आईपी कैमरा कनेक्ट करना है आपको और उसके अंदर एक्विजिशन फीचर को अवेल करना है. यू डोंट वांट टू रिक्वायर एनी काइंड ऑफ द अनदर टाइप ऑफ अलर्ट्स एक्सटर्नली, जस्ट यू कैन कनेक्ट दिस टाइप ऑफ कैमरा. नाउ मोर फीचर अबाउट दिस कैमरा.
Right. So there are two categories of the series, G1 and G2. Recently, we have come up with the G2 series, which is specially for Accusense.
Okay.
So as compared to G1 series, the first one is your deep learning algorithm, which is Accusense. Then we have improved the image performance, overcoming the sharpness problem or WDR problem, the compensating of the image or elimination
Okay.
has been improved, right? Then next one is the built-in mic, as we said earlier. You need not to put the entire physical cabling for the external audio, and it has got the super high definition, which is up to a 6 megapixel. And we are also planning to launch this series in the 8 megapixel. So we get that wider view of the camera on the 4K display. And then there is a improved IR distance. In outdoor bullet scenario, it can cover up to a 60 meter long range distance. So if you want to cover the long alleys in the outdoor scenario, you can use this camera.
राइट. सो वेरी गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ फीचर्स. हमने देखा कि G1 और G2 सीरीज ये प्रोडक्ट्स है, उसके अंदर ही बहुत बार लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि ये G2 सीरीज मतलब इट्स एडिशनल काइंड ऑफ फीचर. सो आज पता चला होगा लोगों को एक समथिंग इज काइंड ऑफ एडवांस प्रोडक्ट, एडवांस वर्जन ऑफ द Accusense कैमरा यू हैव अवेलेबल. Now moving to the another part is that हमने डिस्कस किया था कि Turbo HD solutions भी Accusense में अवेलेबल है. What kind of the Turbo HD DVR is available for this?
So as you can see on the screen, we have come up with the Accusense DVR.
Okay.
As you can see on the screen, there are two models in the Accusense DVR. One is your resolution supporting up to 4 megapixel. The next one is the 8 megapixel, and it has got the inputs of the 4, 8 and 16 channels.
Right.
So as per your site demand, as per your site scenario, you can choose. And it supports up to 1, and it is available in 1 and 2 SATA interface. And each your hard disk slot supports up to 8 TB. So that is very much good. Your multiple cameras are connected, analog cameras are connected. You don't want to replace the entire setup. Just replace the DVR and your work is done.
So IDS series, it's a new Accusense series DVR available for all of us. Now moving to the exciting part, that is a Accusense LiveGuard camera, the most famous camera I think in Hikvision. So what can you tell about this?
So see, live guard cameras, it's famous because of two major features.
Yeah.
One is your inbuilt audio warning,
Okay.
which is a predefined template, or you can put the customized template of this.
Right.
So nowadays we see a lot of boards on the societies or outside the premises that says you are under surveillance. Please stay out.
Yeah.
So the similar thing you can incorporate in your camera also. It gives you the
Yes.
audio warning. Please stay out. This area under surveillance. Or you can put the customized audio template.
Right.
And there is also a flashing strobe light. Suppose any intrusion happens in your particular area, and you want to treat that person, so you can enable the strobe light also. It start buzzing the siren as well as it flashes the light simultaneously.
Okay. So we'll see how it works.
Warning. This is a restricted area. Please keep away.
Right. As you can see, the level of the audio warning is quite high. It's not like the normal level. So it's like you can compare this to your hooters or the sounders. You put it on the outside to get that notification.
Right.
And there is one more video coming in live scenario how it works. So as you can see, there is like real-time threat,
Real-time threats is
notification.
happening and real-time notification. The
Yeah.
camera itself is giving the alert
Correct,
notification to you. So कहीं ना कहीं कोई भी अगर चोर आ भी जाता है उस एरिया में तो वो उस कैमरा को देख के वहां पे भाग जा सकता है.
Right, right.
So बहुत ही अच्छा ये फीचर्स अवेलेबल है. लाइव गार्ड सीरीज एक्विजिशंस कैमरा where you will get a customized audio, which is a very most important.
Right? This feature has incorporated because of the multiple application
Right.
scenarios. Just not for the perimeter protection.
Mhm.
You can use it for your shop. You want to give the notification about the offers going on your retail shop.
Okay.
You want to keep it in the public areas. So nowadays we have seen there are some uh, rules by the governments
Okay.
where you have the restriction of the number of people entering into that particular area. So you can put camera over there and you can do your surveillance.
Yes. कस्टमाइज ऑडियो है. नॉर्मली आपके पास हुटर कैमरा को लगा सकते हो, वो हुटर एक साउंड वहाँ पे
Right.
इनेबल करेगा. बट कस्टमाइज ऑडियो से आपको जैसी चाहिए वैसा आप ऑडियो वहाँ पे कैमरा के अंदर से आप वहाँ पे अलर्ट दे सकते हैं. सो आइदर सर्विलेंस सिक्योरिटी रहे या एक कोई आपको ऑडियो ब्रॉडकास्टिंग रहे, डेफिनेटली योर कैमरा विल वर्क. और आई थिंक ये फीचर भी जो है वो भी बहुत इजी है.
Easy,
आपको कस्टमाइज
right.
ऑडियो करना है. लोग सोचते हैं कि क्या कैमरा को मुझे ब्राउजर पे एक्सेस करना है. नो, इट्स
No,
सिंपल.
it's
आई
not
थिंक
simple.
मोबाइल इट
Mobile
कनेक्ट ऐप डज इटसेल्फ ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर दिस.
It's like आप मोबाइल से जैसे आप रिकॉर्ड करते हो कोई भी
Yes.
voice, आप वो रिकॉर्ड कर दो and just using the app you can import in the camera.
Yes.
It's very easy.
We'll see the product now.
Right, right. So in the product for AccuSense LiveGuard camera, we supports inbuilt audio,
Mhm.
warning, as well as the strobe light. We
Okay.
have come up with the multiple scenarios: IR bullet, exit bullet, your mini bullet,
Mhm.
where you have the smaller areas to cover, and your turret camera, which is
Right.
similar to your dome camera. So to identify how what are the identification for the strobe light or the your inbuilt audio silent. So as you can see in the nomenclature, I'll take the first example. There is that is 2DS, 2CD, 2T, double X. X stands for your resolution. It could be 2, 4, and 1897. 6 G2, which is a newer series. So G2 stands for your newer series of AccuSense. Hyphen I S U slash SL. Now here U stands for your inbuilt audio warning, built-in mic. And there is a one more nomenclature added after slash, that is SL.
Okay.
So SL stands for strobe light.
Right.
So if you want to order a camera which supports strobe light features, then you should go with slash SL.
Flashes. So इसके पहले हमने Easy IP 2.0 प्लस वाली सीरीज देखी थी जिसके अंदर कैमरा ही था itself, आपको AccuSense फीचर मिल रही थी. बट आपको लाइव गार्ड के साथ ये फीचर चाहिए. स्ट्रोब लाइट, साउंड, एवरीथिंग स्लैश SL मॉडल will be available for you. So now this is the time for the quiz question to all of you. Hope you are enjoying this session. This is a quiz question. We can see what will be activated when a live guard camera detects security threats. You have option A and option B, and your time will start now. सही जवाब अगर आपको पता होगा तो आप A या B कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइप करो. जो पर्सन और जो व्यूअर सबसे पहले ये आंसर देंगे उनको हिकविजन की तरफ से एक शानदार इनाम वहां पे दिया जाएगा. So hope you are enjoying this session, a quiz contest to all of you, and we received a lots of answer from your end. Either A or B will disclose a right answer at the end of the session along with the name of the winner. तो कहीं जाइएगा मत. इस सेशन को और भी वहां पे एक नई फीचर हमें मिल रही है. क्या है नई फीचर वापिस हम देखेंगे. Over to you, Prahlad. So
Yes.
after the AccuSense, what the next feature?
So the next one is our last category, which is the color view.
Oh, that's great.
Right? So it's like what you see is what you get. Magical use of color in the nighttime scenario.
Right.
We have seen in earlier session the use of the color view, what are the applications.
Okay.
So today we will see the product line, which is for the offer in the color view series, new
Hmm.
product arrivals.
Okay.
So let's see one by one. Moving forward, there is one video we must have seen earlier. So it's like we are just repolishing your knowledge. So as you can see, the transition happens from your day to night. Your color view keeps on giving the color image throughout the scenario. That is the speciality of this camera. Using the low lux sensor, the 0.0005x lux and f-stop, improved f-stop. better than your conventional camera. So let's say in scenario we also seen this scenario, like how the color plays major importance in identification or judgment of the analysis, right? Without color, we frequently tends to give the wrong evidence or tends to give the wrong judgment.
Okay.
Right? So that is the importance of color.
Okay. सो इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कलर आप सभी लोग देख सकते हो कि थ्रू आउट डे रहे या नाइट रहे आपको ये कलर इमेज मिल ही रही है, बट सेकेंड वाले वीडियो में हमने जैसे देखा कि ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. सिर्फ सर्विलेंस कैमरा लगा के मतलब नहीं, अगर कुछ भी चोरी होती है, क्या चोरी हुआ है,
Right.
ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है और उसके लिए कलर का महत्व बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो कहीं ना कहीं आपको कलर वो कैमरा है जहां पे हर ऑब्जेक्ट आपको कलरफुल दिखेगा. यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट एग्जैक्टली गेट्स स्टोलन.
So this is the new product line.
Yes.
In the color view camera, we
Mhm.
have you can identify the lux level, which is very better than the conventional cameras. As you can see in the first camera on the screen,
Okay.
it is 0.005 lux, and at the f-stop of 1.0. So I'll tell you I'll just re-polish from
Yes, yes.
f-stop about the f-side. See, f-stop is the you can say the more the better is your f-stop.
Mhm.
The more light comes to your sensor and gives you the brighter image, the colorful image.
Right.
So the conventional cameras has the f-stop of 2.0, f2.0, and when you say f1.0, it's like 4 times light falls on the sensor. So it's like 4 times illuminated image you get with the color wheel and a colorful image.
Okay.
Then there are other features like it has got the built-in mic and the SD card slot. And
Right.
there are multiple segments available. It has the warm light for that nighttime scenario. It is
Okay.
all available in full metal or the combination of the metal as well as the plastic
Okay.
body.
Okay.
Then coming to the coloring part, the major thing is whenever that light lux gets dropped to the certain level,
Right.
then it enables your warm light.
Okay.
So you can say after a certain time, and during the night time, light level gets dropped, your warm light gets enabled, and you get the crystal clear image in the color.
So it's a good. I think models are very good available, and there is a variations in the model actually. So कहीं ना कहीं हम देखते हैं कि पता चलेगा कि हमको ये कलर वो कैमरा अगर हम यूज कर रहे हैं तो डोम रहे या बुलेट रहे, जो भी वेरिएंट है इस कैमरा में तो हमें मिल ही रहा है. बट उसके साथ साथ कहीं ना कहीं हम अगर देखने के लिए जाएंगे ये कैमरा आउटडोर में कनेक्ट करना है या इंडोर में, उस हिसाब से ये कैमरास को आप देख सकते हैं.
Correct.
तो स्पेशली प्रहलाद आई थिंक कलर बुक की रिक्वायरमेंट है बट इंडोर साइड में, so you can possibly go for the curate shape of the camera.
Right.
And what about the distance? Means it will be effect. So people are asking that color book. Yeah, there is a supplementary light inside of this camera.
Right. So I'll answer that. See, what happens is, suppose your camera is covering the 30-meter distance.
Right.
So people have the doubt whether that supplement light will also go to the 30-meter. So your answer is yes.
Okay.
If your camera is having the 30-meter visibility, supplement light will also cover the 30-meter because that is how it should work.
Right. So supplement light is goes up to the 30 meter. 30 meter की range तक ये आपको light मिल जाएगा. So no doubt this distance is I think enough. आप वहाँ पे identify करना है तो it's a enough distance. Now move on to the Moonlight Silver. It's again DFZ, very popular series also.
Very popular series, right?
Yeah.
Right. So there are two series. One is a Moonlit Silver and another one is a Starry Gold. So we'll see Moonlit Silver first. The lux level is down to 0.001 lux.
Okay.
And 24/7 color imaging. Then you have ingress protection of IP67, which you can use for outdoor scenario. It's very good and popular product.
Okay.
Then moving further, we have Starry Gold,
Right.
where you can say the lux level is further better than the previous one, which is 0.0005 lux. So that is available in DF3T series, and it has got the multiple segment, mini bullet, outdoor bullet, or the outdoor bullet. So as per your scenario, as per your site scenario, you can choose this camera. And
Right.
it has got to equip with the 120 dB True WDR. So if you want to connect the camera where you don't want to have that background light to hamper your image, you can put this camera over there.
यस डेफिनेटली सो हमने देखा कि जहाँ पे ये मूनलाइट सिग्नल में वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं जो लक्स लेवल है ये लक्स लेवल बहुत ही अलग है सो दो वेरिएशंस अवेलेबल है जितनी आपकी लक्स लेवल बहुत अच्छी है उतना ये कैमरा आई थिंक डार्क एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत अच्छी इमेज वहाँ पे दे सकता है so it's a good feature we have available with this now again we will check a quiz questions for all of you okay so we will have a quiz question which model series has a better low light performance among turbo HD camera with color there is a question for all of you we will see अब सभी लोग इस क्वेश्चन को देख सकते हो series has a better low light performance among turbo HD camera with color, a DF0T-A or DF3T-B. Right answer आपको तुरंत वहाँ पे देना है. Those who will give the right answer very quickly will get the chance to win exciting prizes from Hikvision. So it's the last 10 seconds to all of you. आपको सही लगता है A है तो A टाइप करो और अगर आपको लगता है B तो आप B टाइप कर सकते हो. So hope you have enjoyed this quiz contest also. Now again the most exciting offer to all of us, Accusense Story. Yes, Accusense Story. Show your Accusense Story. जैसे हमने देखा था कि Accusense की फीचर बहुत ही यूजफुल है. प्रहलाद explained a very well advantage of this Accusense camera to use the Accusense solution. Now it's time to all for you. अगर आपके पास Accusense कैमरा या Accusense प्रोडक्ट आपने किसी साइट पे दिया है तो आप एक Accusense वीडियो बना सकते हो अपनी Accusense स्टोरी बना सकते हो क्या फीचर है कैसे आपके यूजर्स को वहां पे अवेलेबल है एंड यू कैन पोस्ट दैट वीडियो ऑन promotions@pramahikvision.com the selected winner will get the chance to win exciting prizes from Hikvision this offer is going on till 31st December. You can avail that offer and you can get the chance to win exciting prizes with this offer. So hope you are enjoying this session. There is an Accusense feature and the Accusense story is available to all of us. You can avail that offer over here. Now again we are move on to the next that a quiz contest answers. So Prahlad, we have seen there is a question that how much of the one line IPC support.
Right.
So क्या ये सही जवाब है? C
Yes.
256
The
GB.
correct answer is C 256 GB.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. So C 256 GB is the right answer. हमने देखा था कि वन लाइन सीरीज आईपी कैमरा जिसके अंदर मेमोरी कार्ड स्लॉट अवेलेबल मिलता है बट मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी पहले वहाँ पे बहुत ही कम थी एंड टू लाइन सीरीज में बहुत ही ये हाई कैपेसिटी वाले मेमोरी कार्ड के स्लॉट्स मिलते थे.
Correct. Right.
इकोनॉमिक कैमरा है लेना है कम प्राइस है फिर भी आपको इतनी सारी फीचर यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं.
Correct. Absolutely.
Very much useful feature. Now moving to the next quiz contest. What will be activated when a live guard camera detects security threats? Live guard camera कनेक्ट किया है security threats detect होना है तो क्या एक्टिवेट होता है? Right answer is strobe light and sound alarm.
Sound alarm. Right. So as we said earlier, that is the correct answer. Strobe light and the sound alarm.
Okay.
दोनों feature आप use कर सकते हो within a single camera.
Okay. So within a single camera, you can use this two feature which is available. That is also a right answer of this question. Third question we have asked to all of us: which model series has a better low light performance among turbo HD camera with color? DF0T and DF3T.
Right. The correct answer is B. DF3T.
Yes, DF3T.
Higher low light performance.
Definitely. So आपको अगर चूज करना है कलरफुल कैमरा की रेंज आपके पास अवेलेबल है बट बेस्ट कैमरा वहाँ पे यूज करना है you can go for the DF3T series. So Prahlad, I think we have discussed a lot of things about a new lineup series जिसमें हमने देखा कि वन लाइन सीरीज कैमरा अवेलेबल है. Again a second series we have available that is a Accusense as well as the color view.
Right.
Very fantastic, a good options we have available with all of us. Now again I want to tell you all of you those who are connected till now, there is a Pro Disco offer activated on your mobile app. You just click on the Pro Disco offer and you can redeem your discount on this live technology talk. सो अब जो भी पर्सन यहाँ पे व्यूअर्स कनेक्टेड है, आप जस्ट इस प्रोड इस ऑफर पे क्लिक कर सकते हो और आप इस ऑफर को रिडीम कर सकते हो. So it's a very good opportunity to all of us to get the knowledge on the new product line. Hope हमारे पार्टनर्स को भी यहाँ पे पता चला होगा, स्पेशली ये वन लाइन सीरीज जो है आईपी कैमरा, जहाँ पे मोस्ट डिमांडिंग आईपी कैमरा यहाँ पे हम लोग को मिल रहा है. एंड ये वन लाइन सीरीज की अगर बात करें तो हमने क्विज क्वेश्चन में जैसे पूछा था कि विच मॉडल सीरीज हैज बेटर ऑप्शन अवेलेबल, DF0T और DF3T. सो ऐसे ही टाइप के अलग अलग वहाँ पे क्विज क्वेश्चंस वहाँ पे की मदद से हमारे पार्टनर को भी यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है कि सही मॉडल कौन सा हम सिलेक्ट करें.
Right, correct.
So that's why that is the motto of the quiz question, to asking a question to all of the viewers, ताकि आपको भी पता चले कि सही कैमरा कौन सा चूज करना है. So Prahlad, now we will see the quiz question right answer. देखते हैं कि winners कौन है. The first winner is that Mr. Prakash from Lakshmi Technology, Mr. Prakash, and second Mr. Avinash Patil from Hard and Soft, Mr. Avinash Patil from Hard and Soft. Congratulations to both the winners for giving the right answer very quickly and correctly. Our backend team will definitely contact you and will give you a gift from Hikvision. And we have also received two questions from the customer end. The first question is that which NVR is suitable for IR mini bullet cameras?
Okay. See, that is a good question. See, if you have IR mini bullet camera, so that means you have a smaller setup. You can
Right.
go with the Eco series in the AccuSense camera, and that product details are available in our website as
Yes.
well as in our app. So you can choose from that.
So definitely a normal NVR is also suitable for that. If you are going for the normal camera, you can connect the AccuSense NVR as well. So this is a quite good question they have asked. Now second question is how to set alarm time.
Okay, yes. As we have seen earlier, the alarm for the motion detection 2.0, which is your AccuSense, it gets enabled by default. And if you want to set a certain alarm for the certain time, you can do it in the event scheduling option. You go to the event scheduling, there is a 24 hours schedule available. You can choose the specific time you want to trigger the alarm for.
Okay.
You can just save the setting and your work is done.
Okay, that's great. So जैसे कि हमने देखा कि कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जैसे आपको चाहिए या शेड्यूल करना है, आप उसको सेट कर सकते हो. आपको आईपी कैमरा के ब्राउजर में जाके एक्सेस करना है और सिंपली यू कैन गो NVR GUI menu. You will get the option over there. So Prahlad, again thank you so much for joining this Technology Talk today and sharing with us lots of new stuff, a new product and new lineup to all of us, our partners. Thank you so much again for coming and giving your time.
Thank you, Vinit, for having me. It's a great experience, and I hope our customers, our partners,
Yes.
take the best benefits of the technology we have offered them.
So once again, thank you so much to all of you for joining this session. आप सभी का यहाँ पे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ऐसे ही अलग अलग सेशंस हम दोबारा आपके पास लेके आएंगे. If you have any kind of the knowledge in future or the training related important topic, if you want from your end, you can type in your comment section. Definitely we will reach you with new technologies, new topics and new solutions again with you. Thank you so much for joining us and have a good night.